Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have a brand new subscription box to bring. Well, it's not technically a subscription box, but it is a new box. Do you want to know what is up with TrendMood and what this is all about? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so TrendMood just started doing boxes. It's not like a subscription box, so you're not locked into an actual subscription where they're going to charge you every single month or bi-monthly or which have you. But this is a box to where when they're available, you can see what is inside. It tells you what's inside. It tells you what the price is, and you can pay for it or you can skip it and pass it or whichever you would like. I actually had one of my subscribers reach out to me and ask me if I was going to be getting the new TrendMood box. And I'm like, what is TrendMood? I was behind in the times because I never even knew what TrendMood was until they let me know. So now I am actually following TrendMood, and it's really cool because they post like all the greatest new things. So it's really cool because now I'm not going to be behind anymore. But apparently they started doing their own box, and from what I have heard is this box could be different prices every month. It could be at different times. It might not even be every month. It's just whenever they curate a box, they will post it. It'll be available. If you want to purchase it, you purchase it. If you don't want to purchase it, then you can pass, because it does give you a list of what's inside. So I already know what's going to be inside, but it's a little different when you actually get it in your own hands. This box, their very first box, I paid $39 and free shipping. So I paid $39 for this particular box. I will then grab at least a few more so we can kind of see what this is all about. So when my subscriber did let me know, I did get on the wait list. So I got an email that said they're now available, and I purchased it. And a couple hours later, I just went back through the link just to see, and they were already sold out. So they probably just come up with a certain amount, and once they reach that amount, and then they say they're sold out and they wait until their next box. So if you do want to jump on this trend, then go ahead and put in your email address. So once a new box comes out, they will email you, and then you will know. You can check it out. You can see what's going to be in that box. You can see what the price is going to be for that box. And then you can decide if you want to buy the box or not. So let's go ahead and get in here and see what's in the very first box. I'm so excited. Even though, like I said, it showed, it's different when you actually get the products in your hand and actually see them. So let's do that. So it looks like any normal subscription box. It says the TrendMood, and then when you open her up, it says scan me with the QR. And that's what it looks like when you remove the tissue paper. So there is a flyer for new Truth Juice Daily Cleanser. There's a thing in here for Bite New Power Move Creamy Matte Lip Crayon. There's a Sea Crush Brightening Double Cream. There's an INN Beauty Project. I'm not sure. There's another thing for that. And is there like a card that goes over everything that's in this box? No, I don't see one. So let's go ahead and just pull the items out. Okay, you guys, so I went to my email that showed me what was going to be in the box, and it had the prices all there. So when I pull it out, I can just tell you what they're valued at based from my email. So the first item right on top, this is the Velvet Sponge. Now this sponge is valued at $18, and I don't do anything with sponges, so I'm just going to set this aside for a future giveaway, but so you can see the sponge. That's what the sponge looks like. This says an innovative makeup sponge that helps blend makeup effortlessly into the skin. Its unique pointed tip allows you to reach the small, hard to get areas, while the dome end can be used in larger areas, including the face and body. The texture was perfected to create the ultimate airbrush finish, leaving the skin looking velvety, beautiful, latex free. and it tells you how to use, how to clean, that kind of thing. So I will go ahead and set this in a future giveaway because again, I don't use sponges. I even have beauty blenders and I've never even opened them. So that's valued at $18. And again, I paid $39 for this entire box. So there's that. So this is that INN beauty project. This is Glaze #1 lip oil for soft, plump, and subtle lips. So there's a lip oil, and this lip oil was valued at $14. And let's see what it looks like when you open it. Okay, so that's what the packaging actually looks like. And let's see. Oh, so it is like this big old doe foot applicator, and it smells like cherries. So a juicy lip oil that gives you soft, plump, and glossy lips. Naturally colored, naturally flavored, and plant-based plumpers. Let's see. Ooh, it feels nice. Ooh, and it tastes like cherries. Okay. Oh, like I got some cherry cola on my lips. So, there's that. It tastes good. I want to just eat it off. But I shouldn't. So I don't really see like a color. I just see like a gloss. So let's see if I get a little plumping action going on. We'll see. But that was valued at $14. Okay, you guys, so I have a fortune cookie. There's a fortune cookie. That's kind of neat. I'll open it and see what the fortune says once I'm done getting all this products out. That is really neat though, like to have a fortune cookie inside. You might be on to something, let me tell ya. Okay, so there's something else wrapped in plastic or bubble wrap. Okay, so this is the Natasha Denona palette, and this is the Mini Tropic palette, 5 eyeshadow. This is valued at $25, just this little guy. So, and okay, I like their boxes because I just received the Natasha Denona Sunrise palette that I did a comparison video for you guys. And they have this little tiny thing. This little tiny thing right here does a whole lot of difference when you're trying to open a package. I wish more people put that little tiny, just a little tiny touch on their tab because then it comes out so nice. Just saying. Natasha Denona, they got it going on with their boxes. So this is the color palette, very bright. This isn't something that I would normally probably wear. I mean, I'm glad to have another Natasha Denona palette. I would probably have to use these with other colors because that just doesn't look like enough for me to create a look just by looking at it. But let's go ahead and swatch it and see what these 5 colors are. So there are all 5, there's all 5 different shades. So you have like this light little shimmer green, a green, 2 blues, and like a lavender color. So that is all of the, right there. That is the entire palette. Again, that's valued at $25 just for that. I'm not feeling really any plumping going on, but at least it does feel nice on my lips. There's that. Okay, you guys, so now we have is a Sea Rush Brightening Double Cream. This right here is valued at $46. So this alone is over the cost of this entire box. I can't wait to try this. $46, holy moly. It's a nice like jar, and it says 3 sources of vitamin C and shea butter. Apply evenly to face and neck. Layer over your preferred serum for external use only. So that's what the actual packaging looks like. Again, this is $46, just this by itself. Let's see what it looks like. So it does have a little protective. Does that kind of smell like, hold up. it kind of smells like orange, like a orange sherbet. Oh my gosh, that smells amazing. And it is like an orangish color. Oh, that smells so good. I can't wait to try this. I've never heard of this brand before. Have you guys heard of this before? I've never heard of it before, but oh, that smells so good. Oh yes, that smells really good. And then we have another product, the same brand. This is Truth Juice Daily Cleanser. So this right here would be the daily cream, brightening cream, and this is a daily cleanser. And it says with orange fruit water. Yes. Is that what this has too? It has to be, because this smells like an orange creamsicle. It smells so good. Okay, so this guy right here, this is the cleanser. This is valued at $28. So that is a really good size. I really like that. And it's pretty much filled to the top. It's pretty much kind of like, yeah, it's like up to right here. Let's see, is this already opened? Nope. There is a good old safety seal. Let's remove that. Oh, it smells so good. It smells just like that other one. I can't wait to start using these together. Oh, it smells so good. Oh, that cleaner smells so good. It smells just like an orange creamsicle, you guys. Like, I'm so glad to have these two products. Like, whoo, 46 and 20, 24, 26, 28. 46 and $28 just in these two products alone, and they smell amazing. Whew. Okay, you guys, so now we have one more product in this, and then we'll see what the fortune reads. And this is Bite Beauty. I don't think I've ever got anything from Bite Beauty before. And this doesn't really look like my kind of color. Pavlova is what it says. Now, this item right here said there was 20 different shades, and this is valued at $24. So I don't know if they had all 24 to put in their boxes or what, but it looks way different on here. This looks like a burgundy. See how much different? Well, now it kind of looks the same right there, but to me, there's a big difference there. So let's see. Ooh. So that's what it looks like when you first open it up. And okay, alrighty. That's what the color looks like. Let's take that oil off. That felt really good though. And let's see. Okay, you guys, so that is the color. Again, I've never tried anything from Bite Beauty, and this does, I'm gonna try to hold the mirror at the same time. Oh my goodness. This does roll out, dun, 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 roll out. Okay, so that is actually really nice. I really kind of like that. So again, I've never had anything from Bite Beauty, so I'm really glad to have that, and this is $24. So let's go ahead and see what is inside our fortune. That's really neat. Let's see what's in here. There's an actual fortune in there. And it says, Happy Holidays, XOXO, TrendMood. How cute. So there is my fortune. Happy Holidays from TrendMood. Okay, you guys, so that is everything that came in my box. This is the very first box that they've had again. So these two items right here are definitely just doing it for me. I don't know, these are just totally doing it for me. I'm actually really excited to have a Bite Beauty product. This little lip oil situation, it felt so good on, and it tastes good, and it tastes good, and it smells good, and it tastes good. And then we have a Natasha Denona little 5 little palette go upper. So I think that is really cool to have in here. And then this item right here is the only thing that I'm going to be putting into a future giveaway, only because I don't use sponges. So if I add up the total value of what they had listed, it comes to $155. And again, I paid $39 with free shipping. So that is everything that I have for you guys. Comment down below. Let me know. Have you heard of this box coming out? Did you try to get it and you missed out? Did you get it? Did you like this? What was your favorite product in here? Let me know all of the details down below. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it. And I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. Thank you so much for watching my video, and y'all. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.